Welcome back to the woods, guys. As you can tell by all the snow on the ground, Christmas is getting really close. It's what is it, 6th, 7th of December, so we're in south of Sweden, and yeah, unfortunately there is no snow here yet. It will probably be here in January. Anyways, that's not what we're going to talk about today. Before me here you can see the 3 backpacks that I've made videos on, and these are the 3 main backpacks that I've used for a long time. Starting from the right, you have the Kajka 87. I borrowed this from my brother Thomas, so it's his bag. And then it's my Kev 52 and the Singi 48 that we recently just made a review on. And since it's Christmas, or it's getting closer to Christmas, it's time for a wish list. And this wish list for me is about the next backpack, or if I could find one favorite backpack, and how that backpack would look, or what I would wish from the sort of ultimate backpack. And as you will see, it's going to be a combination of these 3 backpacks, hence the reason why they are in this video. Alright, let's do it! The first feature from the first backpack that I used, this is again the Kajka 87 liters. As you can tell, it's been around for a while. We've got a lot of patches here. The first feature that I like with this bag, let's see if I can unhook it here, is that you can open it fully here in the front, which will enable you to get a full glimpse of everything that you have inside your backpack. You can get quick and easy access to everything. So I really like that. You see that you can get all the things that you want to get to really quick. This is something that I really like, especially if you have a lot of gear and you're looking for that one specific thing. And of course, if you're out on a multi-day adventure, this is really handy. The next thing from the Kajka that I appreciate as well is the top lid. Again, like on the other backpacks, it's completely detachable. This, not this specific one, but this top lid followed me when I climbed the tallest mountain here in Sweden, Kebnekaise. So you can convert this into a sort of waist pack like this, and you can put it on your back, or like a sling like this if you like to. So that's what I did when we climbed up, because you don't want to carry your full backpack, and you can fit a water bottle and all that stuff in here, so that's perfect for that. And furthermore, you got 2 big pockets, one here and the other one here. You got room to hook up a jacket or whatever you like to on top here, which is really nice. And at the bottom or inside, you have another big pocket there. Really roomy. This is like the ultimate thing for me. I really appreciate this feature. And then you have the straps here if you want to connect it around your waist, or whatever you choose to, or however you choose to wear it. You see, on this backpack, you're able to hook this up here in the chest, like so. This might not be for everybody. You might not like it if you don't have cameras and stuff, but for me that have cameras and a bunch of other things, this is really handy, because you can quickly get a big pouch on your chest where you can store lenses, camera, batteries and all that, or snacks or anything like that. And this is, again, there's a really big pocket on your chest. And again, it makes everything so much more versatile. So this is one of the top features from this backpack. The top lid is so well thought through, and yeah, this is something that I wish that they would carry over to more backpacks. And the ultimate future backpack that I would like to see, I hope that they can bring back this this feature again. Really something that I appreciate. I know a lot of other people out there as well really like this feature. All right, so that's it for the Kajka. Let's take a look at the other ones. Profile, first of all, really narrow. That's perfect when you're walking through woodland like this and you don't get stuck in things. Really like that. I also like the pockets here on the side, that you're able to stretch them up or tighten them down if you don't have anything there. So again, the profile is very narrow. And then of course the huge pocket here on the back is a really nice feature as well. You're able to quickly store a lot of things in here. Things, jackets, or just your stove or whatever you got. if you quickly want to get access to that and you don't want to mess about in the big compartment, so you have a lot of storage in here. Really like that. And then turn it around, you see the wood frame here. I think this is something that Fjällräven is going to stick with for a long time now, which is really great. Low environmental impact, so that's perfect. And yeah, there's no difference in comfort or quality wise or anything like that. So this is a perfect thing, and they are replaceable. You can take them out. That way you can also flip the bag over if you want to store it if you're flying away or something. So that's really great. I like the small features here, that you see the little loop here, so you can hook up a sled if you're going on a winter adventure. So this backpack is really versatile all year round. So that's something that I really like as well. The last thing with the KEV 52 that I really appreciate is the material. So you have G1000 heavy duty, but you also got the Berg shell material. The Berg shell material is a little bit more waterproof than you can see on the other materials, so that's something that I hope that they would incorporate in the future backpack as well. Of course, if you want to open the whole front of the pack up, it might be hard to find a solution where you have a big pocket like this. It's maybe not impossible, but it might be a challenge. But I think that's it for the KEV 52. Let's go over to the Singi 48 and look at the features there. The things that I really like about this backpack is the versatility and the fact you can hook up or take off the side pockets here if you don't want to have them with you. So if you're going on a multi-day adventure, you can put on all the stuff, or if you're not doing anything specific, or you're going on a one day or a day hike, you can take everything off and strip it down and to suit your needs. I also really like the small little loops here that you can see running all over the pack, so you can hook up things, just crisscross them all over the place just the way you like, or that will suit your specific need again. So that versatility with this backpack is something that I hope that they would bring forth in the future backpacks as well. I'm pretty confident that I probably forgot some important feature on each of the bags here, so to the most important part of this video is your opinion and what you would like to see or maybe remove in a future backpack, or any other idea that you might have. Do you agree with the things that I said, or do you have any other thoughts? Just bomb all your thoughts and comments down below. Really interested in hearing that, and I'm sure a lot of people, or a lot of other people are as well. Maybe you've seen something on other backpacks, a feature that you would like to see on future Fjällräven backpacks. This is the sort of top things that comes to my mind. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I wish you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay safe. Bye.